Hi guys! Welcome back to IT's channel! Today we're gonna be unboxing this cool gift that our cousin gave us.
Is it cousin or ninong?
Yeah, okay, let's unbox it.
And today is the birthday of Ate Shunette. Ate Shunette, say hi! We have mukbang guys because it is easy ECQ in the Philippines today. So it's 13th birthday of Shunette. And so
Try it, come on, come on, try
the one who
it.
received gift
Come on, try it. It's your
were
birthday.
Schweizel and Schweiri. Wow! So we're going to put that in the vanity, right? Okay.
Because it's
Oh, why did you?
rip it open.
Oh my gosh.
You
Is
like
it very hard?
Yeah, it is. So
I think it better use...
si Artea bumatik sa akin. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get scissors here.
Oh, look at your ano.
What the? What? Oh.
You sit properly.
Okay, I'm gonna get the scissors.
Let me see. Wow, it's really so cool.
I saw this on YouTube. It's very cool. It was
Yeah,
on
let me see.
YouTube.
I'm going to Alright, so this is really so beautiful. It's a Sparkle Girl.
Hey.
Zuru,
Open it.
alright?
Open! There's tape. There's tape.
Oh, Schweizel, how can they see?
I'm sorry. Yeah.
You're going to use scissors.
Yeah. Wait, it's me.
Maybe it's me who will use it. Me.
There's so many tape here. Yeah, I know. That was sticking on here.
Oh, do not.
I'm picking up the stuff. How would I?
I think I will be the one to.
I'll take off the.
This one here.
Barbie's eyelash is gonna be gone. Wow. Why is it not taking off?
I think I will take it off here. Wait. That's it. Wait. Wait for
there's
mommy.
another one. There's another thing that is taking over the Barbie. Oh yeah, there's something here too. I'll get it. Okay. We're almost gonna do it. Okay, okay.
Can you do it?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe not.
I think mommy will help you.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay. Hold it tight. Alright, there you have it. And then, wait.
All these.
Mommy will do it first. Excuse me. Excuse me.
I'll brush Barbie.
Oh, don't
Don't
be
yet.
noisy.
Here you go.
Alright, so we have the hair clips and then we're going to take off, okay? We're going to take off.
Okay.
So we're going to take this off. This one, alright? And the Barbie. So it is being screwed here. So I mean tied here. So we're going to untie it like this.
Yes.
Alright, and think we are now ready to play.
Oh my gosh. There's so many unwrapped here.
Alright.
Oh my gosh! Look, guys.
This Barbie is really beautiful because you know what, guys?
This
Look at the hair. It's really very soft.
Guys, we forgot about and this. It's super,
Wait.
super. Yeah.
So
It's super duper cool
We have-
and it's still street. It's
yeah,
still
and I
street.
think we have to be very careful.
Yeah. Yeah, because there's
Oh my gosh.
we're almost gonna cut Barbie's hair.
We're almost cutting anything. It's
Imagine
being
if you
tied
get
up,
that.
so
If we
I
get
have
that.
to be very, very careful with this, or else you're gonna wrap the hair of Barbie.
It will be short hair.
Yeah, I want Barbie. Barbie's not having short hair because it's already short.
No, this is so long.
No. Is it?
I'm sorry. Can you turn it off?
How?
Okay.
Yay! Look at that, guys.
Mm-hmm.
It's really amazing. Okay.
We're gonna play with it.
Huh?
Ano ba yan? Go.
Okay, guys, we're gonna play with this now. It looks very cute.
So I think they had to try and buy that nib, right?
Yeah, it's so soft. It's so straight.
Wow, it's really amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think you have to say bye now.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe.